showing you how to make a pistol dangler so you can mount your pistol underneath your plate carrier or chest rig. All you're going to need for this is a piece of thin plastic about 4 by 5 inches. I just cut this out of one of these plastic cutting boards, and a piece of material just big enough to house this piece of plastic once it's folded in half, so you can see a little bit of room around the edges of the piece of plastic once the piece of material is folded in half, so cut that to size. And then you're going to need some 3 or 4 inch Velcro. Take your piece of fabric and you're going to fold it wrong side out, so if you want the lighter color side on the outside, put it on the inside, fold it in half like a taco, and then you can put a stitch up each side. Once you have your pouch sewn up, you can just turn it right side out. Now you slide in your plastic insert. Now you take your Velcro and measure it to the length of your panel and cut it right on the edge. With both your pieces of Velcro cut to length, you can just sandwich them on either side of this panel facing opposite directions. Now you're just going to make a stitch all the way around the two pieces of Velcro, fusing them together, and through the top of your panel, so that it all becomes one piece. You can see we just pretty much went all the way around the perimeter, then went and made a big X across the top, and then finished it off. So now this sandwich of Velcro is holding together the top of this pouch. What you can do from here, if your sewing machine is sturdy enough, is go and run a stitch that goes through both layers of fabric and the piece of plastic to help hold that in place. So go run a stitch around the outside, but your sewing machine might not be able to punch through your plastic depending on what plastic you used. But if it can, that's great. If not, you can just skip to the next step. You're going to need to take your holster and whatever type of mounting screws it has on the back, you need to take those loose. After you have the holster removed, you want to take your mounting plate, take note of how it was oriented with the screw pattern, and if you're right-handed, you're going to take that mounting plate and flip it over. In this case, 2 screws on the top is going to go towards the hand you're drawing from. Take the 2 screws and line them up right down here on the plate. And you can make a mark down inside of here for where your screw holes will go. Go there, there, and there. So you can see now we have 3 holes ready that we can go and drill those out. After drilling the holes out, you take a little bit of your thread sealer and just put on that way you won't fray from the middle there. After you've coated them up good with the thread sealer, you can punch your screws through. With all your screws through, all you have to do is match up the screws to your holster and screw them in. And there you go. All you have to do now is just stick this on the front of your plate carrier or chest rig and you'll be good to go. These things are really nice if you want to have something ready to go, to where you just have your chest rig or your carrier and that's all you grab, so you don't have to worry about grabbing a belt or anything like that. Or also if it's really, really cold outside, you have a bunch of layers on, it can get hard to reach anything that's on your belt, so you might just want to have everything accessible on the front of you, like on your chest. That's another instance where something like this might be nice. It will flop around a little bit, but if you wanted to, you could even sew in a little strap that runs around your torso that just comes from here to here. And it's just going to be an extra strap underneath your plate carrier or chest rig that would just be holding your pistol flat up against your body, so it won't flop out like this. But that's completely optional. But there you go.